Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best woodworking benches in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 10. WRX Pegasus Plastic Workbench. This plastic and steel workbench weighs just 25 pounds and can fold flat when it's not being used. You can even tuck it under a bed if you're tight on space. It uses the WRX integrated clamping system, and you can attach other products to it as well. The worktop measures 31 by 25 inches, and it's 32 inches tall. There are also built-in channels for clamps as well as slots for bench dogs, and the tabletop has a 300-pound capacity. It can also double as a sawhorse, and when set up that way, the maximum load is 1,000 pounds. Those who tend to be klutzy will appreciate the slow-folding safety mechanism, which is designed to protect fingers from unexpected pinches. Number 9. Gladiator Adjustable Hardwood Workbench. If you're going to have woodworkers of multiple heights sharing a workbench, it makes sense to choose one with a tabletop that can move up and down. The height on this ADA-compliant option adjusts from 27.5 to 40.8 inches and comes with either white or granite legs made from welded steel. It measures 6 feet across and has a maximum weight capacity of 3,000 pounds. The top is made from hardwood that measures nearly 2 inches thick, and the wood has been treated with a sealant to help protect it from chemical stains. It also has leveling legs at the bottom that allow it to be adjusted up to 1.25 inches, so you won't have to worry about wobbles. Number 8. Woodstock Tool Table. This bench is on the smaller side. It can handle projects both small and large. With a 1.25-inch, thick butcher block tabletop measuring 40 by 14 inches, there's plenty of room to add extras such as a wood lathe, scroll saw, or sander. The bench itself weighs only 32 pounds, so it's easy to move around your workspace, and the maximum capacity is 700 pounds. But don't let the low weight fool you. The A-frame profile has flared legs and arched cross braces that provide serious stability, and the rubber feet can be adjusted to match an uneven surface. Number 7. Craftsman 2000 Series 72-inch Butcher Block Workbench. Why shouldn't your garage or workshop be not just functional, but also great looking? That's what you'll get with this sleek-looking red steel bench topped with a 1-inch thick butcher block countertop. From the Craftsman 2000 series, this workbench weighs a solid 95 pounds and strikes the right balance of attractiveness, sturdiness, and reasonable affordability. The workbench is 72 inches wide, 41.25 inches tall, and 24 inches deep. That's a lot of room for setting up various power tools, toolboxes, and projects in progress. There's a metal backsplash that keeps your tools from rolling off the back of the bench, as well. Although the height of the table is not adjustable, it does have leveling feet so you can adjust each leg individually should your floor be uneven. The bench does not include storage drawers or cabinets, but you can opt to add 2 of Craftsman's matching rolling cabinets underneath. The weight capacity of the bench is 1,450 pounds, which is more than adequate for the average DIYer or woodworker. It does require assembly, but the task is fairly straightforward, and counts as your first DIY task with your new workbench. Number 6. Sjoberg's Hobby Plus 850 Birch Workbench. Finally, the last woodworking bench on our list is the Sjoberg's Hobby Plus 850 Birch Workbench. This workbench is highly attractive, compact, and includes helpful features for woodworking, but it comes with some downsides as well. Notably, the Sjoberg's SJO 33282 is made with a genuine European hard birch top, making it both durable and attractive. It also includes helpful features, such as bench dogs, jaw cushions, an accessory kit, and a tool clamp. These features will make woodworking much more enjoyable and user-friendly. However, the Sjoberg's model does come with some notable downsides as well. For example, this model is much less sturdy than any of the other options on this list. In fact, this workbench is prone to moving during use. Additionally, the holes on the Sjoberg's SJO 33282 don't line up perfectly. This can be a problem if you need exact measurements and sizes. Number 5. Seville Classics Ultra HD Wood Top Workbench. Another woodworking bench to check out is the Seville Classics Ultra HD Wood Top Workbench. This woodworking bench has a classic design that makes it adjustable and heavy-duty, but it does come with some downsides as well. The Seville Classics Ultra HD wood top workbench is a 1.4-inch thick solid wood table with a heavy-duty steel frame. The height can be adjusted between 37.5 and 42 inches, making it perfect for accommodating different heights and projects. These durable materials allow the workbench to support up to 1,000 pounds. Additionally, the Seville workbench is extremely easy to assemble. It has a simple and intuitive design, allowing it to be friendly for beginners. The kit also comes with all the required tools and includes a detailed assembly instruction manual. With that being said, this workbench comes with some downsides as well. Notably, this model is the most expensive option on our list, but it does not come with any additional features or outstanding capabilities. For this reason, you might want to spend your money elsewhere because you will get more bang for your buck. What's more, the plastic housing is prone to wobbling. Number 4. Keter Folding Table Workbench. The next woodworking bench on our list is the Keter Folding Table Workbench. This workbench is portable, durable, easy to set up, and specifically designed with woodworking purposes in mind. These features make it perfect for woodworking on the go. The Keter Folding Table Workbench is 22.46 inch by 21.65 inch by 29.75 inch standing and 33.46 inches by 21.65 inches by 4.4 inches folded, which are both compact. It also weighs less than 30 pounds. These dimensions and weight make this workbench highly lightweight, portable, and storable, making it great for those who need a portable option. At the same time, the Keter workbench is heavy-duty. It is made with a resin construction and heavy-duty aluminum legs. These materials are weather-resistant, which prevents rusting, peeling, and denting. More so, it has a weight capacity of 1,000 pounds, allowing it to be one of the strongest options on this list. Another notable aspect of the Keter Folding Table Workbench is that it is easy to use and comes with accessory items. It only takes 30 seconds to compile, ensuring that anyone can set it up. It also comes with two 12-inch clamps, which are perfect for securing a variety of working materials. All around, this option is great for a variety of projects on the go, such as DIY projects, home improvement, painting, and more. Keep in mind that it does offer a smaller working area than most others on our list. Users also had some trouble locking it closed. Number 3. Olympia Tools 84-906 Hardwood Workbench. If you are looking for a premium woodworking bench, then you should check out the Olympia Tools 84-906 Hardwood Workbench. This workbench is our premium choice because it is highly durable, attractive, and includes superior instruments, and its price tag reflects these features. The Olympia Tools 84-906 is 4 feet by 2 feet and has a 330-pound weight capacity. It is made from sturdy hardwood with a clear lacquer finish, which allows it to be both sturdy and attractive. These features make this model suitable for most woodworking projects. Additionally, the Olympia Tools Workbench comes with one felt line drawer, a wood block vise with adjustable machine guides, and a convenient storage shelf. It also includes bench dog holes, metal pegs, and wood pegs, making this workbench highly versatile and useful for woodworking purposes. More so, this model comes with an Arcadia wood option, which is different from the option we are looking at in this article, but it is a notable option, nonetheless. Number 2. Black Plus Decker WM125 Workmate Portable Workbench. If you are looking for the best woodworking benches for the money, you will be interested in the Black Plus Decker WM125 Workmate Portable Workbench. We have named this model our best value pick because it is efficient and lightweight, all while being easy on your wallet. As the name suggests, the Black Plus Decker WM125 Workmate Portable Workbench is lightweight and portable. It is only 33 inches by 5 inches by 5 inches in size and weighs a mere 17.8 pounds. This allows this workbench to be easily stored and transported whenever needed. At the same time, the Black Plus Decker WM125 is an efficient woodworking bench because it is heavy-duty. It is made from a durable steel frame, allowing the workbench to hold up to 350 pounds, which is a lot considering its weight and size. It also includes swivel pegs and integral retention grooves in jaws. These capabilities make it suitable for most woodworking purposes. The only reason why we have ranked this model number 2 on our list, as opposed to number 1, is because it is smaller and has a lower weight capacity than our best overall pick, making it less suitable for large woodworking purposes. Number 1. 2x4 Basics A 90164 Custom Workbench. One of the best woodworking benches on the market is the 2x4 Basics A 90164 Custom Workbench. We have very little negative to say about this workbench, which is why we have named it our best overall pick. This model is sturdy, heavy-duty, and customizable. The 2x4 Basics A 90164 is a multi-layer workbench skeleton, meaning that the shelves are not included. It comes with 4 workbench legs and 6 shelf links. The lack of shelves allows you to make the workbench for any length or width up to 8 feet by 4 feet, making it highly customizable. Another good feature is that the connectors are suitable for 90 degrees cuts only, and it only requires 24 lumber. This makes constructing this workbench easy and efficient, even for amateurs or beginners. Additionally, the 2x4 Basics workbench is heavy-duty. The brackets are made of heavy-gauge structural resin, ensuring that it can withstand a lot of pressure and weight. More so, it is backed with a 2-year limited warranty, further ensuring the longevity of this model. These features allow it to hold a weight capacity of 1,000 pounds.